How to change ringtone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on Android phone. First, in open settings, and now just scroll down until you find sounds and vibration, and as you see here you will find ringtones, and here you can manage phone ringtone or notification tone. Just if you want to change it, click on it, and here you can find any classic ringtone you want, or you can even take it from your device, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to change ringtone on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.